Welcome, dear viewers. Today we embark on an exhilarating journey through the stunning landscapes of Turkey. Enriched by a medley of cultures, steeped in history and blessed with nature's masterpieces, Turkey is a country that straddles the worlds of Europe and Asia. Its diverse terrain is a canvas of architectural wonders and natural beauty, from sun-kissed Mediterranean beaches to snow-capped mountains. So, buckle up as we explore the top scenic spots in this vibrant country. First stop, Istanbul's historical peninsula, where history and beauty intertwine. This peninsula, cradled by the Golden Horn, the Bosporus, and the Sea of Marmara, is a treasure trove of historic gems, each as captivating as the last. Begin with the Galata Tower standing tall and proud, offering panoramic views that stretch out to the horizon. As you look out from its top, you'll feel as though you're surveying a city where time has stood still, where centuries of history are laid out before you in a breathtaking tableau. Next, immerse yourself in the grandeur of the Blue Mosque. This architectural wonder is a testament to the artistic prowess of the Ottoman Empire. Its cascading domes and minarets pierce the sky, while inside, thousands of hand-painted Iznik tiles create a serene and reflective atmosphere. Just a stone's throw away, the historic charm of the Topkapi Palace awaits. This lavish royal residence, once the heart of the Ottoman Empire, now stands as a monument to a bygone era. Its lush gardens, ornate courtyards, and opulent chambers are a reminder of the grandeur and sophistication of centuries past. Finally, lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of the Grand Bazaar. This bustling market, one of the oldest and largest in the world, is a sensory delight, brimming with vibrant colors, alluring scents, and the chatter of traders. From the alleys of the Grand Bazaar to the shores of the Bosphorus, Istanbul's historical peninsula paints a picture of beauty and history. Next, we soar to the unique landscapes of Cappadocia. Here in the heart of Turkey, we find a natural spectacle that's as whimsical as it is awe-inspiring. Welcome to the realm of the fairy chimneys, an extraordinary geological formation that has stood the test of time. These towering spires of rock, some reaching as high as 130 feet, are a result of millions of years of weathering and erosion. But these are no ordinary rocks. They are tuff, a light, porous rock formed by the consolidation of volcanic ash. The harder, more resilient cap of basalt or andesite protects the softer tuff below from erosion. This process, repeated over eons, has led to the creation of these peculiar mushroom-shaped pillars that we affectionately call fairy chimneys. As the sun rises, the skies of Cappadocia come alive with a kaleidoscope of hot air balloons. This daily spectacle paints an enchanting picture against the backdrop of these stone giants. It's a sight that brings the magic of this place to life, as hundreds of balloons float gracefully, offering breathtaking views of this otherworldly landscape. But the wonders of Cappadocia don't stop at ground level. The region is also home to ancient cave dwellings, hewn into the soft tuff by early inhabitants. These multi-level houses and churches, some dating back to the 4th century, offer a fascinating glimpse into the region's rich history. Today, some of these caves have been transformed into unique hotels, offering visitors a chance to experience living in a cave without giving up modern comforts. Cappadocia is a testament to nature's boundless creativity and man's ingenuity. It's a place where the past and present coexist, where every rock tells a story, and where the skies are a canvas for the most picturesque sunrise you'll ever see. It's a landscape that's both beautiful and bizarre, inviting you to lose yourself in its magic and mystery. Cappadocia, a place where nature's creativity knows no bounds. Now, let's dive into the pristine white terraces of Pamukkale. Picture a landscape so ethereal, it's as if it's been plucked straight out of a dream. That's Pamukkale for you. The name itself translates to Cotton Castle, an apt moniker for this natural spectacle that's a wonder to behold. Imagine snow-white terraces, sculpted by Mother Nature herself, cascading down a hillside like a frozen waterfall. Except it isn't snow or ice, rather hardened, mineral-rich thermal waters that have carved this stunning spectacle over thousands of years. The terraces, also known as travertines, are formed by the deposition of calcium carbonate from the thermal springs that well up from the earth. These springs, with temperatures ranging from 35 to 100 degrees Celsius, have been a draw for bathers who believe in their therapeutic properties since ancient times. In fact, so significant are these thermal waters in the terraces they've crafted that Pamukkale has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. a testament to its allure and the unique role it plays in our planet's rich natural tapestry. But the marvels of Pamukkale don't end at its cotton castles. Perched above these terraces like a crown on a queen is the ancient city of Hierapolis. Founded in the 2nd century BC, Hierapolis was a place of healing, its thermal waters attracting the sick and the infirm from far and wide. Today, the ruins of this once grand city, including a well-preserved theater and a necropolis, offer a fascinating glimpse into the past. So in one visit you get to experience two marvels, one crafted by the relentless forces of nature over millennia, the other a testament to human civilization and its quest for healing and knowledge. Pamukkale, a testament to nature's artistic prowess. Truly a place where the past and the present, nature and culture all converge in a symphony of sensory delight. It's not just a sight to behold, but a tale to be told, a tale of nature's artistry and human resilience. Finally, we ascend to the majestic heights of Mount Ararat. Towering over eastern Turkey, this colossal mountain is a sight to behold, its snow-capped peaks reaching for the sky, a testament to nature's grandeur. The highest mountain in Turkey, it stands at a formidable 17,000 feet. Mount Ararat's sheer magnitude is not its only claim to fame, however. It is steeped in a rich tapestry of mythology and legend, woven through time and across cultures. In the annals of biblical lore, it is said to be the final resting place of Noah's Ark, imbuing it with a sense of the divine, a connection to narratives that transcend borders and epics. Yet, Mount Ararat is not just a symbol of the past, but a beacon that illuminates the present and future. It serves as a challenging climb for mountaineers from all over the world, who brave its formidable heights. It is also a cherished symbol of the country, appearing on the coat of arms of Armenia, a testament to the mountain's significance in the region's shared history and culture. The views from Mount Ararat are nothing short of breathtaking. As you ascend its slopes, the world unfurls below in a spectacular panorama. The vibrant hues of the Anatolian plateau merge with the distant blues of the Black Sea, creating a feast for the eyes that is as humbling as it is awe-inspiring. And as the sun sets, the mountain's snow-capped peaks are bathed in a golden light, a spectacle that has inspired countless poets and artists. It's a sight that reminds us of the enduring beauty of our world, a testament to Turkey's scenic diversity. So, whether you're a history buff, an adventurer, or simply a lover of beautiful landscapes, Mount Ararat offers something for everyone. Its snow-capped peaks, rich history, and stunning vistas make it a must-visit for any travel enthusiast. Mount Ararat, a soaring symbol of Turkey's scenic grandeur. And that wraps up our scenic journey through Turkey. We've traversed the vibrant streets of Istanbul's historical peninsula, where the past and present coexist in harmonious chaos. We've roamed through the dreamlike landscape of Cappadocia, with its fairy chimneys standing as silent sentinels to history. We've marveled at the ethereal beauty of Pamukkale's cotton castles, a testament to nature's artistic prowess. We've scaled the snow-capped peaks of Mount Ararat, standing tall and proud as symbols of resilience and endurance. Each location, each view, each moment has been a testament to Turkey's unparalleled beauty. From the bustling cityscape to the serene, untouched landscapes, Turkey is a country that continues to captivate and enchant with its rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking scenery. In Istanbul, we witnessed the convergence of two continents, the mingling of diverse cultures and the coexistence of the ancient and the modern. Cappadocia, with its surreal landscapes, reminded us of the whimsical and fantastical elements that nature can conjure. Pamukkale, with its terraces of mineral-rich thermal waters, showcased the artistic side of nature, creating a scene so pure and pristine it feels otherworldly. And Mount Ararat, with its towering peaks, reminded us of the grandeur and majesty that Mother Nature commands. Turkey, in all its scenic glory, has shown us that beauty is diverse, beauty is surprising, and beauty is everywhere. It's in the details of an ancient mosaic, the silhouette of a fairy chimney against the sunset, the cascading terraces of mineral pools, the majestic peaks reaching for the sky. Now, we're curious to know which part of the world you'd like us to explore next. Is it the romantic streets of Paris, the wild outback of Australia, or the tranquil temples of Japan? We're all ears, and can't wait to embark on our next adventure with you. Please leave your suggestions in the comments below. And remember, your likes and subscriptions help our channel grow. Until next time, keep exploring.